How to clear cache from a WordPress website. So you need to install a plugin. Click on add new in the plugin section. Type in WP Super Cache, and this is the plugin which you need to install and activate on your WordPress website. So make sure to install it. I will give you the link of this plugin in the description of this video as well, so that you can easily go to the plugin and download it. So after installing this plugin, you need to click on activate to complete the process. Now go to the settings and click on the plugin and clear the cache. Now from here it is very easy. Clear all the cache from your website, and it is very easy to use plugin, and I have been using it from a long time, and I am clearing the cache of my website very easily. And I hope now, friends, you will be able to do it. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for similar WordPress related videos. Bye bye friends, take care.